How to fix Messenger video call sound problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Messenger video call sound problem. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1. That is to check volume and speaker. So here, always make sure that your phone volume is up. And with that, you can also tap on speaker icon during the call to ensure that it's on. And you can also disconnect Bluetooth devices if you're not using them. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to check the app permission. So here simply long press on the Messenger app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu just tap on app info. And now here, once you're inside the app settings page, what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on app permission. And now here in this section, you can simply scroll down and check if the microphone option is enabled or not. If not, then you can simply tap on microphone and simply select allow while using the app to enable it. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to restart Messenger and device. So here, close the Messenger app completely, and after that, you can simply restart your phone. And once you have restarted your phone, you can simply open the Messenger and try a video call again. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to update the Messenger. So here you can simply open the Play Store, and once you have opened it, you can simply search for the Messenger app, and there if you see any update button, then you can simply update the app to the latest version, because outdated apps can cause the sound issues. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to check the internet connection. So here, always make sure to use the stable Wi-Fi or mobile data, because poor connection can cause audio drops or no sound. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to reinstall the Messenger. So here, what you can do is simply uninstall the Messenger app, and after that, you can simply reinstall from the Play Store. And once you're done with that, you can simply grant microphone and storage permissions, and it will help you to fix the sound issues during the video call. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.